Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome back. So hope everybody had a good Memorial weekend last weekend. Unfortunately, wasn't so good for me initially. So long story short, the A5 is gone. It got totaled in an accident, and yeah, it's gone. I'm kind of bummed about it initially because I've had that car for a while, but luckily, thankfully, I'm okay, and the insurance company took good care of me. So I was able to jump into something different, and I'm about to show you guys right now. So yes, I went ahead and got S5. The color is Moonlight Blue Metallic. As you can see, she's pretty bone stock at the moment. I just got through doing some minor paint correction and paint sealant. Not too bad. So everything's pretty much familiar to me, so I'm just going to show you guys exactly what is different between my A5 and this one. So I didn't have the blind spot monitoring system in the A5. I now have rear fog lights. I have a flat bottom steering wheel. I had push to start, but I didn't have it right here, so that's new. Got a revised MMI controls. Audi Drive Select is now standard. I have heated and ventilated seats. I'm really excited about that because here in Las Vegas it does get very hot, and the black leather in my A5 didn't have ventilation, so it was a little bit of a nuisance. I now have a backup camera. I didn't have that in the A5. I have this multimedia interface with the 2 SD card slots and a SIM card slot. Let's see. Here's a ventilated seats. They don't have the S5 logo on them. Doesn't really bother me at all. They're ventilated. That's really all I care about. S5 door sills. And I now have a Bang & Olufsen sound system. So other than that, she's basically the same. Obviously, the main change is, of course, the engine. So in the A5, I had the 3.2 liter V6. I now have the 3 liter supercharged version, literally, of it. The A5 had 265. This one has 333. And the A5 had 243 foot-pound of torque. This one has 325. So pretty big jump in numbers. I'm not gonna lie, I do miss the A5, but I'm hoping I will enjoy this S5 as much as I did the A5. As far as mods is concerned, I am planning on swapping out the wheels as well as the suspension. I might not go as low this next round. We'll see. If you're asking why I didn't keep the wheels, because they were involved in the accident, so the insurance company just included them on to the adjustment that I will be receiving soon. I did, however, were able to retrieve my European tail lights. So I'm kind of happy about that because that was pretty rare on how I got those. So I hope you guys like it. So in the next video, hopefully I should have a little bit more how I want it set up. Just gonna do another walk around. Oh, I am getting tint per the dealer. They're gonna provide the window tint for me. But yeah, not bad. Like I said, I'm pretty thankful to be here. It was a pretty awful wreck, kinda. But like I said, the insurance company took care of me, and the dealership got me back rolling in literally 3 days from the accident. So hope you guys like it, and if you have any questions about the A5 still, just let me know. I've pretty much done everything to that car, so I should be able to still answer your questions. Alright, I hope you guys have a good weekend, and take care. Stay tuned.